How to export and back up Firebase data to your email. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to easily back up your Firebase data on your email or your Google account. But before we get started, I want you to head down below to like the video and hit the subscribe button to the channel. Also turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our new uploads. Now let's jump into the video. The very first thing you want to do is open up your Viber application and make sure that you are logged into your account. And then from here, you just want to head over to the More section at the bottom. Now, all you have to do here is simply tap on the settings icon. Once you land on the settings page, you just have to tap on your account. And then here you'll find an option for Viber backup. So just tap on it. And as you can see, the auto backup is right now turned off, so you'll just have to tap on it. And if you want to back it up daily, then you can do that. Or if you just want it weekly, you can do that as well. And you can choose your backup network. So if you choose just Wi-Fi, it will only back up your data only when you are connected to your Wi-Fi network. But if you choose both, then it will back up even when you are on your mobile data. Now, if you want to include photos and videos, you can do that as well. And if you haven't connected your account, you can just tap here to choose your Google account to connect it to your Google Drive, and every thing will be backed up on your Google Drive. And it's as easy as that. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next video.